Hey, this is Alex from Trinsoft. Manufacturing operations are more complex than ever, and legacy ERP systems just can't keep up with today's demands for visibility, traceability, and quality control. We just published a new blog that explains why modern, cloud-based ERP solutions have become such an important foundation for both traditional manufacturers and outsourced processing companies. It explains how a connected system like Microsoft's Business Central brings inventory, production, quality control, and financials all together in one place, and how industry-specific extensions like Trinsoft's PHT Plus can build on that foundation. You can read the full post now at trinsoft.com. If you're interested in learning more about Business Central or PHT Plus, and how we can customize a solution for your exact business processes, send us a message and we'll show you what's possible. Until then, take care.